Standing guard, smoke eater right there.
When you're a redneck,
yeah,
you get all the good stuff.
Anybody recognize this crop circle here from?
There's only like one patch over there that ain't burnt, but it ain't. Nice looking dirt right there. All right, we're getting everything together. Me and my buddy Justin, the smoke eater. So we got the big torch and he's doing it old school way. Oh man, you brought tape too?
Yeah.
Nice. I didn't know they made natural light duct tape.
When you're a redneck,
yeah,
you get all the good stuff.
Hey guys, welcome back, and a real quick announcement. If you really want to help our channel out, we greatly appreciate it. It doesn't cost you anything. If you enjoy the stuff, hit the like button and leave us a comment. And if you're not going to finish the whole video, maybe just leave it run on your browser, because with today's day and age, everyone has a channel. But we try to give you really unique, really specific, and really good quality flowing videos. And all those three things really help us out. Won't cost you a dime. We'd greatly appreciate it. Hit the like button, leave us a comment, and let it run. Let's get into today's episode and get some fresh air on our beautiful Missouri Ozarks farm. Thanks a lot.
so we got two backpack blowers, well, one backpack, one handheld, torches. I got my water tank. I'm going to show them around. We got some big areas to hit today. I don't know the acreage count, but it's probably 7, 8 acres ish, something like that. We'll see. Here. Copy. Well, I'll start with this one up here.
Right here?
Yep. Right. Test. Might have to turn your volume up a little. We're starting downwind corner. I could soak that edge with water. I honestly don't think so after doing the other one. Like I said, biggest
perfect for two guys, you know?
Yeah, I think we'll be good. I really do. I was pleased with that first one.
Yeah, for your first one, I give you an A+. I saw somebody gave you a B.
Oh, everybody knows better. I just had one of my videos, they did an article on Grandview Outdoors on one of my food plot videos, so that's kick ass.
That is cool.
Just the average Joe, and he even put a little bio in there. He must have got it from our website or something, you know, because he said that I was former Marine, Gulf War vet, and former cop. Just wanting to learn all this. Well, you think we started, or you want to go like this quadrant?
Yeah, I think if you want, you can run this line here about maybe 10 yards and then cut up.
That's what I was thinking.
Running close to the neighbors so we're safe.
Yep.
And we can.
This one's going real slow. It's still morning, still damp out, which is good, but it'll be slower. All right, she's slow going. I'm watching this kind of south end. Justin's on that end. Got walkie-talkies. Going slow, but as the sun's gonna warm up, it'll go faster, but it'll be good to have this whole south end burn down the fuel. This is a really thin one. Now the next ones we gotta do, them are gonna torch. Them are a lot thicker. Nice looking dirt right there. Such a pretty day. We'll regroup after this block and decide if we want to do the next one or not. With the wind seems to be picking up a little now, so we may call it after this one. But man, I appreciate Justin came out but another little chess move. Fire breaks are doing their thing. All right, just started the last little quadrant. Got all the edges burned. This is the last edge right here. Wind is still coming this way. All right, just started the drone recording. I'm gonna go do a perimeter check. There, you copy? You want me to run a perimeter check all the way around?
Yes.
All right. Didn't even burn much here on the left. Anybody recognize this crop circle here from a previous video? I do.
I'm gonna cut a donut. I can't.
Nice.
So I don't know if you wanted me to do that or not, but we did it.
We did it. Looking good. Oh, that was a pump.
I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, calling me. They'll be calling me royalty. Best to give me loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see.
There's only like one patch over there that ain't burnt, but it ain't doing much. Standing guard, smoke eater right there. It's almost done now. That's way more than 6 miles an hour.
Well, I tell you what,
We're gonna bail on this second one, I think, because the wind is coming right here at us, and this lane is the fire break, but this stuff is 4 times as thick as that last one we did, and so it could jump, so we're probably gonna bail on it. That's why I brought a firefighter.
I think if we had 6 guys or something with blowers, we could probably give it a shot, but
Yeah,
2 in this wind and the humidity's dropping at this time.
You might just have to come back, hang out some more.
That's not a problem.
Cool.
Maybe bring some help too.
Yeah, that'd be nice.
But I think our best move would to not get ourselves in a situation.
I agree. I totally agree. Cool beans, man.